In the heart of this facility, precision meets productivity, a relentless stream of material powering innovation across the globe. Every single pellet represents a leap forward in innovation. A journey of thousands begins right here, right now. From the conveyor, the pellets cascade into the hopper, the first step in their journey toward becoming a brand new product.
Here we see the intake phase. The pellets are rapidly drawn into the heating chamber by the powerful rotation of the auger.
The auger transports the pellets relentlessly. Driven by immense power, they are forced into the melting chamber. The preheating chamber turns the clear pellets cloudy. Intense heat and steam rise as they melt into a thick paste. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. Squeezed through the die, the molten polymer emerges as a flawless curtain of liquid glass, rapidly quenched by the chilling rollers below. Immediately cooled by the steel rollers, the plastic sheet solidifies. This rapid transition is key to achieving the desired thickness and strength. Harnessing immense tension, the opaque material is rapidly stretched thin, achieving unparalleled clarity and strength at incredible speeds. This crystal-clear film, moving at breakneck speed, is stretched tighter than ever thought possible, redefining industrial precision. Moving flawlessly over the tension rollers. It is perfectly flat, without a single wrinkle, ready for the next stage of production. The transparent sheet zips between these heavy steel rollers at high speed, ironing out every microscopic imperfection. This ensures uniform thickness and precision. Observe the future of materials science. This film isn't just clear, it's flawless, setting the standard for precision manufacturing. This is the heart of the trimming station, where raw plastic is transformed with surgical precision at incredible speeds. It's moving at breakneck speed. The film must be flawless, glass-like perfection achieved here before the surface treatment. The serpentine path ensures perfect tension at high speeds. Then, the critical corona treatment bonds the surface, ready for the next stage. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. To ensure structural integrity, we rely on a continuous pour of our signature beige compound. It's quite remarkable, really. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. The mechanical blade spins relentlessly, folding the thick adhesive into a perfectly smooth, glossy paste, creating a deep vortex that ensures a flawless dissonance. The immense speed of the mixer blade creates a violent whirlpool, ensuring a flawless blend. Sucked downward, spreading a perfect, even layer of adhesive. The scraper blade glides smoothly, ensuring flawless application every single time. A flawless ribbon of glue applied at incredible speed. Our precision nozzles ensure perfect coverage every time. Moving at incredible speeds, the film is perfectly coated. Next, it heads to the drying ovens. This is the critical stage. The film, heavy with wet glue, races across the rollers. Skimming the surface at incredible speeds, the adhesive is perfectly smooth. Now, it enters the high-temperature oven for final curing. The wet adhesive film races into the drying tunnel. Blasted by extreme heat, it cures in seconds, essential for a perfect finish. Inside the furnace, the wet adhesive hits intense heat. Solvents rapidly evaporate, transforming the shiny surface. Once the baking process is complete, the tape rapidly exits the oven. It is immediately hit with a burst of cool air, ensuring perfect adhesion every time. Fresh from the oven, the tape races across the cooling rollers. That faint steam is the key. Rapid temperature drops ensure the adhesive sets perfectly. The fully cooled, finished wide sheet of packing tape weaves tightly through a final set of polished steel tension rollers, moving at blistering speed toward the winding station. The process is mesmerizing. Thousands of feet of tape, rapidly spun onto the core, building the largest rolls in the industry. Deep within the factory, the jumbo roll spins, revealing the incredible density of the tape, layer upon microscopic layer. Weighing hundreds of pounds and spinning fast, the completed jumbo roll is a testament to precision engineering, ready for the slitter. Flawless surfaces, unmatched strength. We deliver the precision critical to your process. See the difference quality makes. The colossal jumbo roll spins in reverse, peeling off the wide, sticky sheet with immense force. It races directly, racing through the guides at incredible speeds. This flawless tape is ready for the precision cutting ahead. Only the best for your toughest jobs. Pulled apart with violent precision, the tape hits the blades for the final cut. The process is mesmerizing in its precision. As the wide sheet hits the grooved roller, the blades slice it into dozens.
And just like that, the continuous sheet is transformed. Dozens of perfect strips racing across the rollers.
Sliced with microscopic precision, these ribbons race toward the winding cores at incredible speed. A marvel of modern engineering.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
Spinning in perfect unison, these newly formed rolls represent the pinnacle of industrial efficiency. The process is relentless, precise, and only precision engineering can handle this velocity, transforming liquid polymer into the tape you trust. Precision engineering ensures every roll is perfectly cut, ready for the final stage. Ejected from the winder, these rolls move fast, but the system quickly guides them into a perfect single file for packaging. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. When you need strength, you need the best. Taped Right delivers industrial power every single time.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
Packaging line ensures maximum efficiency, moving goods swiftly to the sealing station. Here, precision machinery secures each carton for transit.
Packed tight and moving fast. This is the future of logistics, sealed with speed and precision.
Speed and precision define our new automated system. The case sealer secures the box in seconds before the robotic arm moves it to the next stage. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
This state-of-the-art robotic system handles inventory with unmatched precision, ensuring seamless workflow around the clock.
The fully stacked pallet, this massive cube of boxes, perfectly aligned, represents peak efficiency. Now it will be secured and ready for shipment. Securing massive loads at incredible speeds, the orbital high-speed wrapper ensures your product is protected, streamlined, and ready for anything the supply chain throws at it.
This facility ensures that our products are ready for shipment around the world. It is the heart of our global supply chain. This is where it all comes together. Millions of finished rolls, ready for the world.